All right, so native Spanish speakers, I understand that it does not exist
Tupperware.
in the language, the sound. I get it. I'm really confused though, because I'm supposed to be learning Spanish, and I'm supposed to, if I'm gonna pronounce things the right way, I need to listen real close to what is somebody saying to me.
Ajá, por eso te dije, vamos a ir al Ross. Vamos a ir al Ross.
No, see, no, it's not. See, there's another one. It's not Ross. Ross. Everybody, listen to my, listen. Ross.
Al Ross.
She keeps using the O as if it's Spanish. It's sound.
Yeah, pero
like as in father.
No voy a decir Ross.
Okay, imagine.
Voy a decir Ross.
Okay, listen. Imagine that the O is an A. Now say it.
Ross.
That's much better because you're using the sound.
Okay, I know it's right, but as a Latina, I'm gonna say Ross.
That's fine. And
Vamos a ir al arroz.
Uh-huh.
O si no, tal vez en el Goodwill, porque necesito glass containers, like glass toppers.
Tupper.
Ya, por eso, glass toppers. Toppers, ya, glass toppers. Necesito glass toppers para los lunches.
Tupperware. I know, you guys. I know it's hard. I know the sound doesn't exist, but you still have to say what you're hearing. You want me to say todos los días.
Which you don't say.
You know.
He said
you guys
toro.
need to do the same.
Toro. Karen, tenemos que hacer toro.
I know it's what you hear, but that's what we're literally saying in English. We're literally saying it.
Toro, Karen.
R and D is confusing for you.
Yo le digo, ¿qué toro? O sea, ¿qué toro vamos a hacer? Dice el toro. Ok, vaya, voy a intentar. No.
Todos los días.
No, pero you know, I joke with you about it. Yo sé que tú sí dices